Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make timecodes on YouTube like this. If you are interested, please keep watching this video. Okay guys, let's get started. First, go to your YouTube channel and choose your video. As you see here, there are two buttons, Analytics and Edit Video. What we gonna write there? Let's start typing 0, ratio sign 0, 0. It's gonna be our intro. Well done! Can you see how easy it is? You can even copy and paste your video and then edit them. Don't forget that timecodes also helps your SEO. If you like this video, hit the like button and see you in the next one.